Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to install Opera web browser. If you have never tried this web browser before, then this web browser is absolutely fantastic. Straight away, as you can see, it's got a built-in ad blocker, a battery saver mode, and also a free VPN. Not to mention that it has got to be one of the fastest web browsers I have ever used when browsing the web. It will load web pages a lot faster than any other web browser I know. To get this awesome Opera web browser, all you need to do is head on over to the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you're on this page, you now need to click on this big green button that says download now. And you now need to go save file. Once the file has finished downloading, we now need to run the setup file, and we now need to go to options, and we now need to choose where we'd like to install Opera to. The C drive is absolutely fine for my computer, and I do want all users to be able to use Opera on my computer. I want to make Opera my default web browser, so I'm going to keep that ticked. And I do want to import all my bookmarks from my other default web browser, which is Firefox. I don't want to share usage data. And once you have finished going through all the settings there, we can go ahead and press accept and install. And it will begin to install Opera. Once the install has finished, Opera will open up and we can go ahead and click on Let's Start. Straight away, as you can see, this web browser really does look great. I love the look and feel of the GUI. I personally think everything's there for you. Everything's nice and clear and simple. On the left hand side here, as you can see, we have a few quick links. If I just click on WhatsApp, as you can see, it opens up WhatsApp, which a lot of web browsers do not offer. WhatsApp is basically an application that you can only use on a mobile phone, and if you do want to use it on a PC, you normally have to install an Android emulator. Let's go ahead and see what other settings Opera has to offer. I'm going to go to the top right hand corner here and click on Easy Setup. And as you can see, we can choose between two themes, light theme and dark theme. There we go, that's the difference. We can choose a wallpaper for our main screen here. I can actually choose my main desktop wallpaper, which is pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and just change that back now. We can also change the appearance here. We can show the bookmarks bar, show speed dial suggestions, or pin sidebar. We can also enable block ads, which is always handy to have on, depending on what websites you go onto. Here we have our download location, and we can also clear all our browsing data. If we now click down the bottom here, we can go to the browser settings. And straight away, as you can see, like all web browsers, we have lots of different settings in here. On our privacy and security tab, you can see we have the enable VPN option. You can simply just tick this option and we will now be connected to a VPN. And it really is as easy as that. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.